Thinking maybe illiterate? Some porcelain something or other. Yeah. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I made my return out to forest camp, but before I can even get started, there's one necessity I have to do. Little jerks are already on me. Jeez. I literally hadn't even got my pack off yet, and they're just like, food! So, alright, so I got the Nikon out. So, the table I dismantled last year, no, year before last, so it's been a while. So, I dismantled it to winterize camp. But, I actually didn't come out here all last year, so I just realized that. Now, there's some signs that people have been here, though. And, one of them is this. This is not done by me. I don't know who did this. I don't know if it's firewood or maybe they were doing a reflector. The fire pit looks unused. I might have to fix it completely. But actually, one thing I wanted to do was come out here with a big shovel and just clear it and flatten it and then make a new ring, but I never got to it. But that was not me. That stick was poking up was not me. And actually, the wood for the table, I had leaned up against this tree. And I don't even see them. So, because they're all leaned up against the base of this tree standing up. And they look to be completely gone. I mean, there is some fuel laying around that looks like it's been cut. I mean, I suppose it could be wind, but I doubt it. Because all these are not... This is all just forest litter. Well, let's walk down the river, see if there's anything new down there. Well, pleased to say that the trail looks unmolested. Although it could just be people coming down to go to the river to wash up their pots and stuff. And then they probably saw the firewood and hauled it back to camp. So, well, we got a whole bunch of nettles. So here's the stream. Oh, another sign that someone's been here is a beer can. I don't drink, so that was not me. I guess it could have been washed down the river. But everything looks fairly unchanged here. A lot of the same trees are still up. Although I think, I'm not sure, but this tipping tree here, that might be recent. You can see how it's kind of, the stream pushed it up. The wind probably blew it over. Probably. So it's leaning up against the tree here. So I'm not worried about it coming down. Still, I wouldn't hang a shelter underneath it. So we got several forks. If you look across, I think that's the main, and these are like little offshoots. Probably just going around. So this is probably like a little island. So that's all good. Let's see. Alright, decided to go ahead and immediately check for Morels, because this is where I found those blonde. According to the weather, it rained recently in this area. And from what I understand, as they like to come up shortly after the rainfall. It looks like it rained overnight or early morning Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Saturday. And I am not seeing a single morel. But other than that park, which I just went to last Saturday, it, as you can see, it's a little bit easier going. See, the conditions for morels are good because I've got pine trees. Well, I'm near a river. There are trees. Should be the kind of trees they like, because I've found them here before, so unless the hunters have already come through here, which would explain the beer can, if they're beer drinkers. Let's see. I am not seeing anything. Well, I think I'll do a little off-camera scouting. I won't bring you guys along for the entire look because while I am adding commentary, I don't want to bore you guys to death with endless searching for mushrooms. I might do a little B-roll just because. Alright, so if you're wondering, am I going to be spending the night out here with such a big pack? The answer is no, because to be honest, my shameful secret is I haven't gotten the truck running yet. It's almost been a year, which shows how much I've needed it. But I haven't really been getting out as much as I've wanted to, and I haven't. And to be honest, I hate crawling under vehicles and working on them. Hate it. It's like, ugh. It's not pleasant. People have offered to help, but you know, you guys live in other states, so unless you're gonna come visit, I just need to get under and do it. In fact, that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow morning. I'm gonna basically get up, I'm gonna answer your comments for the new hike and morel hunt part 2, which comes out tomorrow. I'm going to answer your comments, and I'm going to get up. I won't need a shower because I'm going to crawl into the ground anyway, and I'm going to crawl into the truck and just get it done. And then I'll probably get it done, go take a shower, run down to the gym, work out, come home, take the truck down to the car wash and wash it because it's been sitting for a long time. Top it off of gas if there is any. I think it's about half a tank, I think. Top off the fuel. And then I need to start working on getting firewood for my condo. So that will probably be next week. I'll probably come out here and do some. I got a couple ideas this year what I'm going to do. So yeah, I know, bad Mark, but it's a really nice day. It's going to be a great day. I'll relax a little bit, then I'm going to start hitting firewood hard.